Hello friends, and welcome to Storytime with Teacher Julian. Today's book, Sopa de Frijoles, or Bean Soup. It was written by Jorge Argueta and Rafael Yocteng. Un poema para cocinar. A cooking poem. Bean soup. Bean soup is brought to us by the letter B and the number 6. B6. Ready? Let's get started. So, remember what I said about poems before? That's right. Some poems will rhyme. They'll have rhyming words. And other ones will just have a flow to them that sounds pleasant, almost like a song. This book is dedicated to these people. It says, for Lunita, Pablo, and Holly, the most precious beans of my life. I like that. For Victor and Yvonne and my parents, and the best cooks in the world. Very sweet. For a yummy bean soup, all you need are... What do you think you need for a yummy bean soup? Two cups of beans, white, red, or black as night. A big head of garlic with fragrant cloves, white as midday. So when it says that the cloves were white as midday, midday means the middle of the day, like noon. When you look up and the sky is bright. A huge onion, red, white, or yellow as the dawn, and a pot round as the moon and deep as a little lake. So when he says the onion is yellow as the dawn, it means like when you wake up in the morning and the sun is just barely coming up and the sky turns a little light yellow. That's what he means. You need 6 cups of natural water, not with bubbles or tastes, just plain pure water and nothing else. In a little salt volcano nestled in the bowl of a spoon. So, first of all, when he says natural water, it means water that doesn't have bubbles like from like a soda pop. It's just like natural water from the faucet or regular just flat water. And then if you can see right here, look at the shape in the spoon. What does that look like to you? Yeah, he's saying that that looks like a volcano, like a little mountain peak. And there's a little hole in the top. That's what he says by, that's what he means by a little salt volcano. First, spread the beans out on the sky of the table. The beans are stars. Throw away any little pebbles. When the beans touch, they clink a little song. You can sing too. You see how he pours the beans out on the table? And in the little bowl, he's separating. In the little clink, the clink is a sound that like metal or glass will make when another object will hit it. So the beans and the pebbles are making a clinking noise. Oh, what a yummy soup. Soupy soup, beanie soup. It will be eaten by my brothers, my sisters, my mom and my dad, and me. So delicious. Look at all the beans. dancing around. Pour water into the pot. Watery water, lovely granny whose caresses give us life. And now the beans, clean beans, throw them into the pot's lake for a swim. Do you see the beans in there? Carry them to the stove. Smile to yourself as the little flames give the pot a hug. There you'll leave them. Don't cover them for an hour or more. The beans will foam, a foam like a cloud. Skim it off with a big spoon. The fire will dance while the beans slowly get soft. See, right here on top of the pot of beans, when the water starts bubbling and it makes foam. The little small bubbles, they turn white, and you take those off. So he's scooping off the foam, which he says looks like clouds. The water boils and sings. The beans dance together. The water has turned brown, the color of Mother Earth. Your house smells wonderful, like the earth, after the first winter rains. You see how the pot here and things are coming out. This is the smell of the bean soup that the little boy just absolutely, he's breathing it in. And look at his face. Seems like it's something that he really enjoys. Now it says that the water has turned brown, the color of Mother Earth. Mother Earth is our planet, and when we say Mother Earth, it means like nature. So Mother Earth could be the dirt, it could be trees, something that's brown out there that he's saying, he's comparing the two. Now it is time to cut the onion. First you have to remove the onion's coat, its soft, delicate skin. Before you cut it in four, you need to say, "Thank you for your lovely taste, little onion," as you chop. You slowly to chop. Try not to cry, because tears can make food taste sour. See, the onion has little, like a smell to it, that sometimes it makes you cry. Garlic also comes dressed, each clove in a little white dress. One by one you peel them, saying, "Thank you for being so tasty." Some you chop up, some you leave whole. Then it is time to add them with the onions to make the brown soup lake. These are little pieces of the garlic, and this is the chopped up pieces. You add the salt, sprinkling it through your fingers, as though it were rain blossoming from your hand. Stir the soup with your big spoon. Draw circles as though you are Mother Earth turning around the sun. While the soup is cooking, pick up the pebbles from the beans, the onion peel, and the garlic skins. Take them all to a tree or to your garden and bury them there so Mother Earth keeps on growing flavors. So all the other pieces that he didn't use, he's burying them under the tree in Mother Earth. Now at last, everything is ready. Heat the tortillas, take out the deep bowls and the spoons. Decorate the table with flowers and smiles. Call your mom and dad, your brother and your sisters, and eat up the lovely, loving bean soup. He has all the bowls, all the plates, and on the table are some tortillas. Now, tortillas are a flat bread, usually made from either corn or flour, your choice. There is the family, ready for the bean soup. Brown as Mother Earth. The end. That's the back of the book. Sopa de frijoles, bean soup. Okay, friends, so I have a question. Have you ever made bean soup? Or perhaps cooked with your family? Maybe made a little portion of it. Maybe somebody in your family made the whole meal, but you helped. You could, like the little boy in the story, peeling the garlic or separating the beans. A lot of times families will get together and everybody will have a little part of making the meal. Have you ever done that? If you haven't, perhaps you can ask somebody in your family, I'd like to help. I can separate beans, right? We could do that. All right, friends, that's all I have for you. Remember, our story, or our poem, Bean Soup, was brought to us by the letter B and the number 6, B6. That's it. Until next time, I will say goodbye.